iFixScreens Black Friday Mega Sale and Event. We have our first ever giveaway. 6 lucky customers will win a laptop or an iPhone or an iPad. The lucky winners will be announced on Facebook Live on Cyber Monday. Winners will be chosen from our November 2022 sales. We also have deals on our repairs as well. iPhone XR screen repairs $99.99 all month long. Yes, the entire month of November. Our sales don't stop there. Black Friday weekend, we have a sale on back glass repairs. $79.99 any back glass repair. You heard me right, $79.99. The discounts continue. They also carry over to the devices we sell as well. Example, this MacBook, $399.99 while supplies last. That's right, $399.99 while supplies last. With battery replacements at $39.99 for most devices and discounts on most screen repairs, you must take advantage of these deals. iPhone 11 repairs, normally $179.99, now only $99.99. That's right, $99.99. iPad 7th through 9th generation screen repairs, now only $99.99, normally $179.99. Pause your screen and look at these prices here for these iPhone screen repairs. Insane! They also come with a 180-day warranty, so come down to iFixScreens and get your device repaired now. Participating locations.